The All-In app. Download the app from your App Store. Make sure the Bluetooth is on. Open the app, and it shows you immediately all the devices around you. Here, I already renamed 3 devices. Got a new device, it shows you a long number. At the end, it's a serial number on the product. Swipe to the left, rename it. Choose whatever name you want to call your device, and it will save on your smartphone. Choose the device you want to control, press start, go to color, and you have full control on this device. If I want to control several devices together, I'll go back to the main page, select all the devices, shows you in a little hook which devices are select. Go to start, and I got full control on the whole light setup. In the app, I have 5 major buttons. The first one is for the motion control. On the left side, I have intensity and Kelvin on the bicolor LEDs. If I have an RGB panel, I have also the control on red, green and blue. By pressing on the screen and holding and moving the phone, I got a motion control on the lights. Then reset the color. We go to the bicolor mode. In the bicolor mode, I have full control on the bicolor LEDs. Intensity, Kelvin, daylight, tungsten, minus and plus green. And I got a master dimmer. The master dimmer will have effect on all the LEDs, RGB and bicolor. Reset this, go to the color mode. In the color mode, I have the color wheel to choose a color, saturate, desaturate, or I can pick a color by a picture. Select pick color, get the camera or the folder. Here I prepared a little color chart. Take a picture, use photo, and I can go on the screen and select the different colors to extract the RGB values. Go back. So now if I want to save this settings to my filter book, go back to bicolor, save current state with RGB. Name it 1, 2, 3. So it's saved in my filter library. Here in the filter library, it shows you about 20 to 30 preset filters with different names. And on the very bottom, I get my preset filter. Then in the effect mode, I can choose between different effects. I get strobe, fade, for instance police cars, choose the speed, or even change the color. Got the fire mode, more wind, more speed. Or I can tweak the effect, desaturate the bicolor LEDs, and change the color of the effect. So I can tweak the effect to the way I want it. For instance, here we get a blue fire, so to affect, for instance, a gas fire. Or television. Television, it change between different color, can tweak the speed. Firework, flicker, welding, and color dissolve. If I want to go back and black out the whole setup, I can go back, black out, all lights turns off, I can choose just a single light, and I get again the full control on this. That's about the All-In app.